Okay, you guys, I am working on the vinyl t-shirt. Okay, I'm going to place my t-shirt down, and then you just, use a lint roller to make sure you get all of the lint, the dust, no hair, no eyelashes, no floating anything that could possibly be on the shirt right now. So just make sure you use the lint roller and dust the entire area that you're going to press on, including sometimes you may have to do the sleeves, because wherever the heat hit, it will turn it blue and leave stains on the t-shirt. You don't want that. Okay, we're gonna put our vinyl up there. This is Avery vinyl, by the way. Um, we're gonna put it up there. We're gonna make sure everything is lined up correctly. Gonna make sure you don't have any crooked letters. Okay. And I will go ahead and put his name at the top. Okay, and with the ones, you got to make a sound judgment to say, is this too high or is it too far down? If he or she puts on clothing, will you be able to see the image? This image right here is for overall, so you won't see the image at all. Then you're going to use your parchment paper. Make sure you cover from side to side. Cover the entire shirt. You don't want anything from your press to get on the shirt. You don't want your press to touch your vinyl. If it touched the vinyl, you can ruin the shirt. Okay, and make sure you use press for whatever time that your vinyl stay on the back of it. All vinyl come with instructions. Make sure you follow the instructions. Then I'm going to take a rag and, just press in my vinyl. Make sure it's pressed into the shirt, because while the vinyl is hot, it presses in really good. And it is a cold peel, so I'm going to peel it off before it even gets cold, but I'm used to doing the vinyl, but for beginners, just make sure you wait a little bit before you pull it up. Okay, we have our shirt. Make sure you tug on it a little bit just to make sure the vinyl is not coming off. You don't want to sell a shirt that, the vinyl is coming up off of. You want to make sure you have good quality. Thank you.